Hello and welcome again, my friends. May God accept all your good deeds in Ramadan and happy Eid for you. Today we will continue our journey with Lucy exploring the new features I have added recently. And if you visit website recently, you will notice that I added login system, which will need you now to verify your email that you used to log in, and that will increase the security protection against fake accounts or any cyber attacks. Okay, once we logged in, we will notice that there is a lot of change in the interface, a lot of UI UX optimization. So let's see this together. I will move to asklucy.io and then I will put my username and then my password and hit sign in. So the first thing we notice here, it is recognizing the logged in user. So it's showing here in the welcome message, the username, and it shows a recommendation message that is for better experience, you have to use Microsoft Edge. I have tried this in a couple other web browsers, but Microsoft Edge is the best in this area. Okay, so I will hit OK, and then we notice that now we have a toolbar at the top, and I have moved the profile settings and the logout buttons to the drop down menu. So if I click here now, I find this my profile, which leads me to the page where I can set up my account. I can add picture now, I can change my birth date, and I can input the username as first name and last name. Okay. Then once I finish, I can go back to Lucy. And again, I have here this button for logging out. So if I want to sign out from the system, I just need to come here and hit this button. At the middle here is the uh, voice analyzer. And also I changed this a little bit. Rather than the circle, I just put it in a linear manner now. And also the voice command button. So if you need to start the conversation by voice commands, you can just hit in this button once. And once you finish, you can hit back again to disable the voice commands. To the very far left here, we can find the picture of Lucy now, and next to it, the menu of languages that you can use to talk to Lucy. So if we click here again, you can find the drop-down menu with all languages supported in this browser. And again, Microsoft Edge give me just a much more number of languages supported rather than the other browsers. So I think this is the advantage here. And then if you notice here, the chat dialog area is just more clear now and it has more space. And to the left part of the screen, we have now the message box where you can insert your text for messaging Lucy. And also to the right, we have now a new panel, which is the attachments panel, which I will talk in a while about it. And that's all for the interface. Now let's move to the new feature I added to this episode. So I have added the ability to create a transcripts from the audio files that will save you a lot of time typing text and also will help you to generate some articles based on audible data that you can collect from different digital audio references. So first we need to select a file as usual, then the transcript will be created once the processing is finished and then automatically feed into the message box. So let's see this in action. I will come here to the upload. And by the way, this is the same dialog box I used to upload the PDF files that we have seen in the last video. So I will use it also here to upload the audio files. So I will click on choose file. And also one of the enhancement of the UI, I have added this description box down below. So if now you upload any file, it will show you some information like what is the type of the file and the size of the file. So let's check this one. I will select from here one file that is introduction to a course to teaching German language. So I will select this one, open it, and as you can see here now we have the type, which is MP3 file, and the size of this file, which is less than 1 megabyte. And once the upload has been completed, I can see here the extracted text from the audio. And also I have a simple audio player here, which I will use later to verify that the extraction of the text has been completed successfully and it matches the content of the audio file. So let's come here and just play. And as you may notice here,
Thank you for purchasing Topics Entertainment Instant Immersion Language Series.
This is just the total length in seconds for the audio. So it seems like this one less than a minute. So I will not just play it all. I will just play the first part to verify that the text has been generated properly from the audio file, and then we will move to the rest of the presentation here.
The #1 selling language program that lets you listen and learn anytime, anywhere.
Introduction to the German series. In this series, you will learn some of the basics of the German language through dialogues based on real-life situations.
Okay, so that sounds like correctly generated. Now let's do the cool part. So I can just modify this first before send it to Lucy and see what we can generate from this. So I will say like prepare a course and out based on the following. Let us see. I just have to press send. May take some time.
Course handout, Introduction to the German series. Thank you for purchasing Topics Entertainment Instant Immersion Language Series, the #1 selling language program that lets you listen and learn anytime, anywhere. We are excited to introduce you to our German series, where you will learn some of the basics of the German language through dialogues based on real-life situations. In this series, you will be introduced to phrases based on a topic. You will learn the basics of grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure needed for effective communication in German.
Very good.
Our language instructors will guide you step by step through the lessons and take you from a beginner level to a more advanced level. The German series is designed to cater to all types of learners, whether you are a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner. Our courses use a comprehensive approach, combining interactive exercises, immersion, and conversation. Each lesson in the series follows a structured format. The first part introduces a new topic and presents phrases to you based on that topic. The second part explains a specific concept of the German language. Lastly, you will hear a dialogue where the phrases and concepts are put together. At the end of each lesson, you will have the opportunity to practice the dialogues with your own answers, just as you may have to do in a German-speaking country. This interactive method will help you to build confidence and fluency in speech, and will get you ready for any situation in real-life situations. We are sure that our German series will help you to learn a new language easily and quickly. By the end of the course, you will have a strong foundation of the language and will be able to converse effortlessly in a German-speaking country. We wish you all the best as you embark on this new language learning journey with us.
Very good. So that's saving a lot of time if you just can get a snippet of text from audio and create a whole article based on it. So that was all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already a member, and hit thumbs up button if you like this video. Share it with everyone and activate the bell icon to receive all the new updates. Eid Mubarak. Salam.